So I took Cheryl's class, how to build a safe home, and before that, some of her introductory, videos, and it was such an eye-opening experience to be able to, just from the street, to be able to see somebody's home and see that there could be potential for moisture issues. I had so many like aha experiences, and actually learned a lot about the home that I'm in now. And I've learned that there are some things that need to be addressed. But what really got me into this and got me to take Cheryl's course was that I was working with a lot of clients who wanted to have a healthier home, and some of them had gone and searched out a home that was safe, but they didn't know about mold. A lot of us don't. And it's really hard to get good guidance on it. I'm really grateful to the class, and I think it's something that's, there's so many health issues now, and there's so many issues with our homes, that this is one that's really important.